Hello everyone, welcome to day 86 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the chevron stitch. This pattern requires a foundation chain which is a multiple of 10 plus 4. For the sake of the video, I'm going to chain 30. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22, 30. Okay, so now I'm going to add 3 chains for my very first double crochet and 1 more chain for the increase. Okay, so the total is multiple of any multiple of 10 plus 5. Okay, now let's get into the pattern. Skip the first 3 chains and into the 4th chain you're going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, now this counts as 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now into the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Right, so we started off with 2 double crochets, that is a 3 chain and 1 double crochet. Now we are doing 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, now the next 3 stitches we are going to make a 3 together double crochet. So you go into the first chain, pick up a loop and start your double crochet. Do not complete it. Do the same thing with the second chain and do the same thing with the third chain. Okay, so now you have 3 incomplete double crochet stitches completed all together. Done. Now into the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Now into the very next stitch you are going to do 3 double crochets into the same stitch. So this is what forms the dips and peaks of our chevron pattern. Okay, you can see the peak forming here. Sorry, you can see the dip that's here and the peak that's going to form here. Now again 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. And 3 together double crochet stitch. Again 3 double crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. One, two, 3 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. That's for the peak. You're just going to continue this, that is 3 double crochet, you're going to do a decrease, then 3 double crochet and an increase. So you're going to repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Now into the last stitch you are going to make just 2 double crochet. You have ended the row with just 2 double crochet stitches, which counts as half a peak. So you can see the pattern that's forming, which is looking like a slight wave stitch now. In the next row it will be more clear. Okay, again start off with the chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, that is your very first double crochet stitch. Sorry. And now you are going to make 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. Okay, so now you can see that, see, this is our decrease, and when you do the 3 double crochets, this decrease should be in the middle. So you're going to take up 1 incomplete double crochet, 2 incomplete double crochet and 3 incomplete double crochet. So this is when you know that you got the stitches right. That is, your decrease and decrease should align. Similarly, you should do the increase here at the middle stitch of the previous row's increase. So you can see the 3 double crochet stitches here, and this is the stitch in between. So that means you got the pattern right. So this is when you get the chevron stitches with their very sharp peaks and dips. Okay, so this is the pattern. You just have to continue the same thing. It's just a 1 row repeat. You do that repeatedly till you reach the end of the row, and you can crochet this to any length that you want. So depending on the number of stitches that you require between your dips and peaks, you can choose the multiple of the foundation chains that you want. Suppose you want more stitches in between the increase and the decrease stitches, you can choose to add more stitches accordingly. Okay, so do try out this pattern, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.